It's my 2016 Jeep SRT, and today I'm gonna be cutting pieces of this $1,000 exhaust off. Let's get it. That shit sounds like stock, bro. Like, I swear to you, when I got this car, which is almost a little over a year ago now, it had this exhaust on it. It was an X-Force exhaust, and it's valved, right? Bro, I'll open the valves, close the valves, you do not hear any difference whatsoever, bro. Like, at all. Maybe if you put the car on a load, you may hear a little bit of something, but bro, I'm tired of it. So what we're gonna do is cut the resonators off of this car, and hopefully that frees up more volume, you feel me, so it could have a little more growl, rasp to it, you know what I'm saying? Because bro, my Infiniti is louder than this car by far. Granted, it has long tube headers, it's tuned, it has a catback exhaust, but still, it's a Jeep SRT. The Jeep SRT should not be quieter than this fucking Infiniti, nigga. So that's what we're gonna end up doing. If push comes to shove and I don't like it, you know, fuck it. I might just have to get another exhaust. But it's better than what I got now. So let me know in the comments down below if y'all think it's quiet or not. I think it's extremely, extremely quiet. So, and hopefully by the time we get these little resonators cut off, it sounds 10 times better. So we're driving to the shop right now. We're about 40 minutes away or something like that. So yeah, wish me luck. Yo, I'm a little bit nervous, but at the same time I'm happy because there's no way it could sound worse, right? No way, right? It's only up from here. All right, we made it to the place finally after like an hour. So we're literally in the middle of like nowhere right now. Like, I'm telling you, this is like country, like fields, corn. You don't want to be here at night type shit, you feel me? So they're about to do it, y'all. We're about to see, we're gonna cut off them annoying ass resonators. It's on the other side, and hopefully it's a lot louder than what it was, especially when I have the valves all the way open versus closed. Hopefully you can tell the difference, but we'll see. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit, but it should sound a lot better. Now that that's off, they're going to basically connect where that gap is to the catalytic converter and then to the rest of the exhaust. Basically like straight piping it, but not really. But I'm excited to see what this sounds like after, because this shit was too quiet. About to start welding. There you go. There you go. Tack welding, I think, right now, just to hold it in place. Then he's gonna go in detail. My baby's being cut up. I'm like the parent waiting to hear from the doctor on their child to see if they're gonna be all right. That's what it feels like right now. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm gonna chill out. I'm not gonna have my expectations too high because I don't want to be let down if this doesn't really make that much of a difference. But I ain't gonna lie, I heard a clip of what it sounds like, and it sounded a lot better than what it sounded like before. So in person, it's probably gonna sound even better. So I'm trying not to keep my hopes up. So we'll see. I'm gonna calm down for a little bit. About to start it. You're about to start it. All right. They don't. Oh my gosh, it sounds a little bit better. It sounds a lot better. It sounds a little bit the same at idle, but on the revs, it sounds a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, ferocious. So it's done. Whew. I feel I'm a little nervous. It's gonna be the first drive now with it, so let's go. Hopefully we can hear a little something. He revved it just once in the clip, as y'all seen, but I'm gonna get some more clips for y'all in a little bit. But just that one rev sounded better than earlier today. I can say that for a fact. Fuck, I'm nervous. Hold on. Oh my gosh. It's way louder. Oh my God. You hear hear the difference?
Yeah.
Yo, I was driving this all for the last couple of days on the highway. Yo. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. That sounded way. I can't wait to hear how it sounds like outside. That shit probably sounds crazy. Oh my god. Bro, I don't know what's wrong with this company that made this exhaust with the fat ass resonators on it. They're fucking laced. This sounds crazy. Oh my gosh. This is how the exhaust should have sounded like from the beginning. I have no clue what this manufacturer was thinking about putting them fat ass resonators on there, and you can't tell the difference, bro. Like it literally makes no sense at all, bro. Like at all. When we get to this straightaway right here, I'm about to push it again, but you could I'm pretty sure you can also tell the difference in the exhaust tone when I have the valves open and closed now too. We're in Mexico somewhere, of course. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, and that's valves open. Now I'm about to put the valves to closed. Right? Valves closed. And then we're gonna push it again as soon as we pass this car. Now valves are closed. You can hear the difference, right? Now it's open. Like, that's a big difference. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I can't even speak. I don't even know what I just said. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Big difference, bro. I'm about to be wasting mad gas now. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, this is how you're supposed to sound. Aggressive. I'm smelling gas and shit now because I've been pushing it. Let me chill, but bro, ooh, I love it. I love it. Yeah. For y'all to hear the difference, I'm gonna do a few revs first with the valves all the way open, then valve closed, and then I'm gonna do a launch with it all the way open, and then try to do another launch with it closed, and hopefully that gives y'all enough of a sound difference that y'all can hear what it sounded like before versus now. It sounds a lot better when I'm driving on the highway. I ain't gonna cap, in my opinion. So let's get it.
Valves open. Valves closed. Valves open. Time to launch her. Hard.
So y'all, that was it with it closed and with it open as well. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. He's coming back to hit me.
That sounds crazy, boy. Oh my gosh. She cannot rep for shit. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that sounds crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh. Yo. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Why she got a little bit more pizzazz than I feel like I did when I took off? Who is she feeling like? Who is she feeling like? Oh, I forgot I put it in track mode. That's why I had a little bit more of a crackle. Who's she feeling like, y'all? Like, I ain't gonna lie, that sounds like 10 times better than what it sounded like before. 10 times better, man. Look at her. She's geeking in there. Look at her cheesing and all 42s, right?
Was that good?
Yeah. Yours got like loud as fuck. I'm like, hold on, that sounds better.
Yeah, because I'm like that.
can see her face behind this camera. She looks a little nasty. Oh my gosh. Fuck. My head. Fuck. That's not, nah, I ain't gonna lie. This sounds so much, bro. What was X-Force thinking with those fat ass resonators on the car in the first place? You can finally tell the difference with the valves closed and open now. Like, dude, what were they thinking, dude? They're smoking something. Oh my, I like that. I like it. It's what it's supposed to sound like. Muscly. Big Bertha type vibe. Should I call her that? Nah, I don't like that name. So, you guys are probably wondering how much I paid to cut the resonators off this car. And that price, it wasn't as expensive as what you would think. Honestly, it cost me $200. Simple. $200. Let me know in the comments down below, is that a lot? Let me know. But I don't think personally that's a lot for them to cut off the resonators, and then weld on some new stainless steel pipe to the existing exhaust. In my opinion, it's a W. Out of 10, I ain't gonna lie, how much better it sounds, I give it a valid 8 out of 10. Before it was like a 4 out of 10. Now it's a clear 8 out of 10 because, bro, the notes, you can hear it. You can hear it rasp. It gets something riled up in me. I wish y'all could see my camera woman's face. And she just over here just hating. She wish it was her that did that. That's what it was. I think she wish it was her. But listen, at the end of the day, it sounds 10 times different. I love it. It's gonna feel different now driving the car. She's not gonna be a little pussycat. She's more like a lion now, you feel me? More like a lion. Yo, stop playing with me, bro. I love this. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think about the difference in sound from before and now. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. This was like, I don't even know how long this video gonna be, but fuck it. Like it, subscribe if you're new, comment down below. If you want to see more mods on this car, let me know in the comments what else I should do for this car. Maybe headers, I don't know though. I don't know if I want to do headers, but you feel me? Let me know in the comments. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Nigga, I said to stop recording and you know.
Shut up, bitch.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Nah, I'm weird for that, I ain't gonna lie. Let me get up out of here.